In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the TKE indicator in TradingView Pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get this indicator showing on your chart so you can start using it in your analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar, sitting alongside options like time frames and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search through all of TradingView's built-in and community tools. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This is important because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and using the search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists. Now, in the search box, type in TKE Indicator. Make sure you type it carefully so the correct script appears in the results. As you type, you should see matching indicators show up in the list below the search field. When you see the TKE indicator appear, hover over it and then click on it once. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your open chart. You'll notice new lines, signals, or visual elements appear, depending on how the TKE indicator is designed. At this point, the indicator is already active on your chart. If you want to fine-tune it, you can go to the left side of your chart where your active indicators are listed, hover over the TKE indicator name, and click on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust inputs, colors, or visibility to match your trading style and make the chart easier to read. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more features, cleaner layouts, and a better overall experience, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to the same pro tools I'm using here. That's all you need to do to add the TKE indicator in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, customize it to your preference, and you'll be ready to start incorporating it into your trading strategy.